I'm David Haig from Creative Content. In CCTV News today, here are all the major stories for the week ending July 19th, 2024. The biggest news is from Canon, which this week released its flagship R1 camera body, along with the R5 Mark II. Canon says the R1 is aimed at news and sport professionals, whilst the R5 Mark II is designed for what it calls creative hybrid professionals. There's a whole swag of new features in both cameras, mainly due to a new digital accelerator processor and image sensors. Be prepared to dig deep into your pockets though, as the R1 costs a shade under $11,000 and the R5 $6,700 for the bodies alone. There is an R5 kit system as well, with an RF 24 to 105mm lens selling for $8,549. I have all the technical specs and more information on the website at this address. DJI has launched a new video transmission system today called SDR, or Software Defined Radio Technology. The company says it is designed for small and medium-sized film crews and offers enhanced stability, strong interference resistance and robust penetration capabilities. For instances that require temporary monitoring, it can support Wi-Fi transmission simultaneously, giving filmmakers the flexibility they need on set. 1080 60 frames per second footage can be transmitted up to 3 kilometres, and DJI says video feeds remain stable even in complex shooting environments. A combo kit containing all the components necessary costs $959 Australian dollars. More information on my website at this address. Speaking of DJI, if you are wondering just how versatile the Mavic 3 Pro drone is and how good the footage it shoots, Creative Content's Dr. David Smith, who many may remember as the person behind ABC TV's Earthwatch, decided to invest in one. And he's not disappointed. David recently took his Mavic Pro 3 down to Port Arlington in Victoria and managed some amazing shots of the local seal colony. You can see the full results at the web address below, and he'll have a full review of the Mavic 3 Pro on the Creative Content website very shortly. The latest version of Blackmagic Design's DaVinci Resolve Beta became available last night. I haven't seen it as yet, but apparently there are improvements to the cut page amongst other things, including speed increases. Fusion Beta 5 has also been made available. If you're in the market for a portable lighting kit, this week I reviewed the MC4 Travel Kit from Aperture. Containing 4 LED lights that support multicolour, plus colour temperature and brightness control, the lights are battery powered and charged using USB-C via a combination carry case power hub. The case also contains a pair of USB ports enabling external devices to be charged. For convenience, the Situs Link app can be used on an Android or Apple smartphone or tablet to control the lights individually. The Aperture MC4 Travel Kit costs around $750 and all specifications are available at the Creative Content website. Finally, I'm not in the business of giving free plugs normally, but this one is worth passing on. In Amazon's Prime sales on at the moment, you can apparently grab a 4TB Samsung T9 drive for under $300 US, which is, according to the Amazon website, almost 50% off. The average Aussie price is over $800, so that's a major saving. Note, however, as far as I can tell, this specific drive is still not on the Blackmagic Design recommended list, that being limited to the T5 and T7 units only. And that is all the major news for this week ending July 19, 2024. To be notified of new broadcasts, simply subscribe to this channel. And don't forget my online tutorials too. They're all free and available titles can be seen at this web address. Once again, I'm David from Creative Content, and thanks for watching. Oh, one more thing. If you use a GoPro or other action type camera, I think you'll like my free 60-page e-magazine. You can download it from my website at www.creativecontent.au and select the option in the menu bar.